Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on Android. Many gamers are eager to enjoy this thrilling experience on the go. We'll explore the best ways to bring the intense action of Black Ops to your mobile device, ensuring you can join the fight from almost anywhere. Get ready to transform your Android phone or tablet into a powerful gaming portal, offering flexibility and fun. The main ways to play involve either cloud gaming or remote play. Cloud gaming services allow you to stream the game from powerful servers directly to your Android device, requiring only a strong internet connection. Alternatively, remote play lets you stream the game from your own PC or console at home. Both methods offer a full gaming experience, bringing the action to your fingertips. To get the best experience, consider a few optimizations. A dedicated Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for superior aiming and movement compared to touch controls. Also, ensure your Android device has sufficient free storage and memory. Closing unnecessary background apps can significantly boost performance, providing a more fluid and responsive gaming session. These steps will enhance your mobile combat. Remember, a robust and stable internet connection is paramount for both cloud gaming and remote play, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second. Be mindful of data consumption if you're not on Wi-Fi, as streaming can use several gigabytes per hour. While a native Android version might not be available, these methods offer excellent alternatives to enjoy Black Ops on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.